Okay, so this one is question 5, and we've got to use a compass, make an accurate construction. AC has been drawn for you, and I've just realised that maybe some of you I dropped the mark because it was only 5 centimetres, and if that line was already drawn, I suppose that's not really your fault, so maybe I'll need to add on some marks there. Okay, so we need to use a ruler and a compass. So if we're taking out our compass, then the first thing that we're going to need to do is basically set our compass to 4 centimetres. I'll just bring my ruler back, and we're going to set, I just sort this back out, and we're going to set our compass to 4 centimetres. If I set it to 4 centimetres, I'm now going to draw an arc. I'm then going to switch my compass around and move it to this end and draw an arc. Now where they cross, that'll create the triangle ABC. For the next bit, I need to set my ruler to 8 centimetres. I just need to move this down a little bit, so then it gets to 8. And again, I'm going to move my compass so that it's now set at 8. I'm just going to make this a bit bigger. That's it at 8, and this time I'm going to draw below. Again, switch my compass around and put my point to the other end in here and draw 8 centimetres down. I've gone a little bit off the page, so hopefully I've ended up drawing enough in that way. I'll just go to the other side just to make sure I've drawn enough. Go right down there. Okay, so I'll get rid of that, and what we now need to do is we need to draw a line going from here to here and from here to here, and what we'll then need to do is see if this is I think we might be a little bit short in what we're needing to do. Just scroll this down, and we can draw a line going from here to here and here to here. Looking a little bit messy because I ended up drawing off a little bit more and not getting it to accurate, but you should check by measuring this line here. It should be 8 centimetres. Measure this one 4, measure this one 6. Again, some of you may well have got a mark taken off you because it was marked as 5 and that was already drawn and it wasn't actually 6 centimetres. I didn't realise that that line had been drawn when I was marking. Okay, so second construction one is using a compass, make an accurate drawing of this triangle. So first of all, we are allowed to use a ruler, so we'll take out the ruler first of all, and we're going to draw a line 7.5 centimetres. So starting at 0, 7.5, and we can now get rid of the ruler. Next bit is, it's got to be 6.3, but it needs to be at 60 degrees, but we've got to use a compass in order to do it. Now it's really important, like the last one, which I forgot to say, to leave your construction lines in, don't rub them out. In order to create an equilateral triangle, which will create a 60 degrees, because remember equilateral triangles have 60 degrees in each of its corners or vertices, I just need to draw an arc at some length. I then need to keep my compass set at the same distance and move the point to the bit that I've just drawn. Now when you draw an arc, you'll notice it'll go through the original point and it'll create a little triangle. What we then need to do is just draw a straight line that goes through that point and extend it quite long. That now has created a 60-degree angle. So now we can take our ruler, this is the bit I might not be able to do, turn our ruler up so it gets to 6.3, and we're going to draw a line from about there down to the bottom. Again, don't worry about all your construction, just leave it like that. You may want to mark in that this is 6.3, this is 7.5, and that's 60 degrees. What you can always do is check with your protractor, and we can see it's 60 degrees on there. So that is that.